Hey guys, what's going on? It's the maintenance kid here again, bringing you another maintenance video. Today we're going to be fixing this faucet. It's not dripping out right here, but as you turn the water on, water goes everywhere, right? So, not cool. We're in a vacant, even if it wasn't a vacant, that's still not a good look. So, we're going to get it fixed up. And, so you're going to need one of these, faucet repair kits, right? It comes with, everything you see here. I'm going to go ahead and let everyone know that I've never repaired one in the sink in the vanity faucets. We just never had any problems with the single handle faucets in the bathrooms. But we've had the similar issue. Actually, this one's doing it right here. So we'll take care of that one too. But I know that these kits are made for the faucets that are in the kitchen. But we're going to see if we could get something out of this to make it stop leaking. Alright. Yep, enough fun. Let's get to work. So this is an ADA apartment. If you didn't know what that means, it's the American Disabilities Act. They're minor changes, like it's hard to tell in the video, but these receptacles are clearly, this is my knee and I'm 6'4", so the receptacles are a little higher. Let's see, what's the difference? The countertops are a little lower. They said, just. It's not much, but it definitely makes a difference. You could feel the difference. All the faucets will have the single handle so that you don't have to have both, hands working at the same time to adjust the water as needed. This cabinet's a lot lower. Normally it sits up, up here and then, come down to here. Down here, the knobs on our standard apartments, they'll be back here, but they're down here for ease of access. But oh yeah, and what's up, man? All right, so yeah, like I said, I've never tried one of these on the vanity faucets, but we're gonna try to rock it anyway. First thing you're going to want to do is shut your water off, at least to the sink. You could do the whole house, but that should get it. All right, we don't got any water, so you got to take the handle off. Got a little Allen wrench right here. This came in the kit. Alright, handle goes off. We're going to try to keep it in order so that no one gets confused. Alright, so then you have this retaining ring right here. And the tool sits in it like this. Right? There we go. Like I said, we're going to keep everything in order. Alright, and then after that, be this beauty ring. That holds everything together. Alright. And just looking at it from here, I don't think that this is going to work. But we'll see what we get. Oh yeah, so this was down in the down in the groove there. And I just grabbed a hold of the tip here, and this came off, which has the plastic piece right here next to my thumb. Just below that's a rubber washer with the ball in right there. All right, we'll set him right here, like so, like so. All right, and now we can see the seats and springs down there. One right here, one right here, and one right here. Yeah, and that's where the water diverts out. So we'll go ahead and change out these guys. Usually I have a hook for this. And these things always make a mess. Always make a mess. So we get our new springs. And I just put them on the tip like that. Now the springs, as you can tell, I hope, there's a wider side down on the bottom. Yeah, down at the bottom it's wider than it is at the top, and that's how it needs to go in there. Voila. And then the seats can go right on top. I had a flat tip or a Phillips head for this, but can't seem to find it. There we go. But the kid does it one-handed anyway. All right, that's good in there. This one. Hold on 1 second. So, this plastic piece, like I said, it's a different shape. So hopefully we can, take this gasket out. This is the old one that was on here. Yeah, go in our trash pile. And hopefully we could just put this one. Yeah, here, see? Hopefully that'll work. Okay. Let's see. We had this ball. Now, there's the 3 holes for the hot, the cold, and then the outlet port right there. There's also this line, and you can see it, this little tab right here is where that's gonna go. Right, gonna go right on that little tab. Ta-da. All right, and this guy with our new seal is gonna go right here on top, but he's got a groove right here. Yeah, you can see it. There you go. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna have to put some pressure on this whenever I tighten this, so I might have to do it when can't have the phone in my hand. All right, let me go ahead and knock that out real quick. Okay. All right, so I got this piece tightened on here. You want to make sure that it's going to go all the way to the bottom here. You don't want a gap. All right. So I'm going to tighten them up a little. That's not the best look. Yeah. I hate that I did that. But that'll suffice. Alright, now I got this. So funny trying to do this one-handed. All right. I don't know. Let's see how that goes. All right, let me use two hands. There we go. Let's see what we get. All right. Ta-da. All right. I think we did a good job. Yeah, and that's how you fix a vanity that's leaking from the base of the handle. We're going to do the same thing to that one over there. But yes, sir. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll be uploading quality maintenance content as much as possible.